see this. This is my San Jose panel that I've been carrying around for all these years. Well, look at this. You see that? That is the elevator my panel came from, and look what it says on it. So yeah, here's my San Jose panel. Here's where it came from. And what's the building address?
It's like 999 West 1st Street or something like that.
998. And here is a view of the building. It's now a government building, but she said the elevator has been broken for about a year now. So yeah, this right here, this building right here used to be a bank.
It doesn't even look like it's 3 floors.
Yep, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I guess so.
990, you're right. 990 West 1st Street in San Jose.
Or just North 1st Street. North 1st Street.
North 1st Street?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, this right here, if this panel was still in that elevator, it would probably be working right now.
Yep.
That'll be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.